U.S. judge investigates Giuliani's part in Iran sanctions case. Reuters by Brendan Pearson. New York, a U.S. judge on Wednesday requested that he be given more insight about previous New York City leader Rudolph Giuliani and another legal counselor's portrayal of a Turkish gold dealer accused of planning to damage U.S. sanctions against Iran. U.S. Region Judge Richard Berman in Manhattan said he required additional data to guarantee that irreconcilable situations did not counteract Giuliani and previous U.S. Lawyer General Michael Mukasey from adequately speaking to Reza Zarrab, who is in U.S. custody. Zarrab is blamed for plotting to lead illicit exchanges through U.S. puts money for Iran's government. Prosecutors said in a court documenting a week ago that 8 of the U.S. banks required for the situation were customers of Giuliani or Mukasey's law offices, and Giuliani's firm was an enlisted operator of Turkey, posturing potential conflicts. Benjamin Brafman, a lawyer for Zarrab, said at a court hearing on Tuesday that Giuliani and Mukasey were chipping away at a conciliatory answer for the case and would not speak to Zarrab in court. Giuliani, who has prompted U.S. President Donald Trump, and Mukasey ventured out to Turkey in late February to meet with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan about the case. Brafman said Tuesday that Mukasey talked about the excursion ahead of time with U.S. Lawyer General Jeff Sessions. Zarrab, a double national of Iran and Turkey, was beforehand captured in 2013 out of a Turkish defilement test of individuals attached to Erdogan. At that point, leader of Turkey Berman requested Brafman to meet with Giuliani and Mukasey and submit data on what sort of work they were procured to accomplish for Zarrab, what sort of work their organizations had accomplished for the banks, and what the organizations were doing to maintain a strategic distance from clashes. The judge requested Brafman to state whether Zarrab's lawful expenses were being paid by another person, and assuming this is the case, who. Berman additionally requested Brafman to present a depiction of the connection between Giuliani's law office and Turkey, including any inclusion by Giuliani himself. Another hearing is set for April 24. Brafman had beforehand contended that Zarrab's correspondences with Giuliani and Mukasey were private. Brafman declined to remark on Wednesday. Berman in Wednesday's arraignment tried to pack down hypotheses about the